Simple and easy pajama cutting and stitching, that is what we are going to learn in today's lesson. So for my pajama pants, total length is 28 as you can see on the screen, and 28 is also the waist, and you have to divide it by 2. And if you are working in centimeter, that is 71 centimeter. And after that, as you can see, I'm taking the crotch length. Usually in pants the front and back crotch is different, but here I'm making a very loose type of pajama and very simple type, so my crotch front and back is same. And here is the hip line, and I'm taking the hip line is also the wider because this is very loose type. So as you can see here, I'm just going to mark the waistline first, and but before that you also need to fold here 2 inches or 5 centimeter for the elastic, and then after that you need to measure your crotch. So here I mark the crotch line, and that is 12 inches, or now this hip line I'm taking it 14 inches or 35 centimeter because I want it a very loose type of pants. And now here I just mark the 6 inches and then 1 more inch, and now I'm going to make here a curve with this scale. And this is a very good tool to make the curve if you have this one, otherwise you can do it by freehand. Now here also we need a little inner curve to just give it a little shape. And see, this is our marking, and you can see this is very easy and very simple, and our fabric is on 4 fold as you can see. Now I'm just going to cut. Guys, if you feel this tutorial useful, please don't forget to give your feedback and press the thumbs up button. And if you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe. And you can check in my playlist, I already uploaded a little advanced type of pants as well with the pockets. You can check in my playlist, but this one is for the beginners. So now I'm just going to stitch this crotch and the other side of the crotch. Okay, so right side on the fabric, and now I'm just going to stitch. I'm using the serger or overlock machine, but you can stitch it with regular machine. Now see, just turn it your fabric something like this. Now it's time to stitch the leg part. So start from the hemline and till crotch stitch, and then start from the other line so that your both side legs will be equal, and make sure pin up here on the crotch center. If you want to learn tailor style professional way of cutting, you can check in my playlist. I already uploaded a complete tutorial. You can watch. Now as you can see, it's time to fold from here for the elastic thing, and stitch all the way, only leave 2 inches to insert the elastic, and also fold your this hemline. It depends what style you want. If you want the wider folding, and see here I just leave this space to insert the elastic. And for elastic you have to minus at least 4 inches from your actual waistline. So suppose here my waistline is 28, so I'm just taking 24 and just cut it and insert it with this tool or anything. So but before that, just mark here. So because sometime our elastic twist in this part, so it's better if you mark first. Now I'm just inserting it, and after that I will show you how to stitch this elastic. And guys, if you are first time on my channel, please check my playlist. I already uploaded a complete course for beginners. That course has 6 videos, and it will cover all the things, how to take body measurement, cutting, stitching, everything. So now I'm just going to stitch this way to just to secure it, and after stitching we have to make it a little equal, something like this. And after that the opening part, this open part, you should just stretch it and stitch it. And after that, if you want more stitches, you can mark more stitches just to secure it, otherwise it's okay. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Take care.